What's up, everybody? Steve here. I came across an article. I think this is extremely important if you guys are going to be buying or investing in any kind of condos or co-ops, assuming you're taking on debt, getting financing. But it goes on to say new lending rules threaten some condo sales. Fannie and Freddie Mac tighten condo lending rules. Details vary, but they generally won't back single unit condo loans if a building has deferred maintenance issues. And this is basically in the wake of the Surfside collapse over in Miami. And unfortunately, a ton of people died in that. And it's sad, and a lot of deferred maintenance. And it could have been prevented, unfortunately. And basically, Fannie and Freddie are saying that they're not going to back the loans if any kind of condo complex has any kind of deferred maintenance. I think it's going to be up to discretion when they do pull the report, because they're going to have a report filled out for every condo association. So when you're getting a loan, many times a lender is going to ask for a specific report talking about how many owners are in there, how many investors are in there, and now part of it is going to be deferred maintenance. Goes on to say they will generally deny condo and co-op units loans if the building has deferred maintenance issues, special assessments to fix deferred issues, or other problems. All changes announced in Freddie Mac's bulletin will be effective for mortgages and settlement dates on or after February 28th, 2022. So if you're in the process of getting a mortgage right now, you guys might be able to get in before this goes into effect. And it says both policies remain in effect until further notice. As part of the process, Fannie Mae lenders will send condo managers a 5-page form that must be completely filled out. I took a look at the form, and again, I think that it's going to be up to discretion on each lender in terms of their underwriting process as well, whether this is going to go through or not. So there's going to be a lot of scrutiny that takes place if you guys are buying a condo and if there's any deferred maintenance. Now, deferred maintenance, I'm assuming it's going to be major projects. Like I did another video on a major concrete restoration project in the Beach and Tennis Club. You guys can check that out. And I think like a condo complex like that might have issues getting financing. The article goes on to say, while individual condo buyers may immediately face hurdles getting a loan approved, the tighter policies could have a longer term impact on an entire condo complex. Even condo associations without concerning maintenance issues could find that unit owners without the backing of Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac will have a harder time selling their property if new paperwork isn't filled out correctly and returned promptly. Fannie Mae considers acceptable documentation to be a satisfactory engineering or inspection report, certificate of occupancy, or other substantially similar documentation that shows the repairs have been completed. And I think this is the most important part of this article as well, because Surfside happened in Miami. It goes on to say, while Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac changes apply nationwide, Florida may feel a greater impact due to the number of condo buildings across the state. So this is nationwide across the country of the United States, and it's something that I think everybody who is getting financing on a condo is going to, first off, you'll probably want to speak to your lender to see if they've financed in the condo complex prior to, and also reach out to the association manager, see if there's any upcoming special assessments, upcoming deferred maintenance issues that they're aware of, because the last thing you want to do is spend all this time and money getting into contract on a condo, paying for an inspection, paying for appraisal, wasting time as well, just to find out that you can't get financing because Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are not going to back the loan. Anyway, guys, appreciate you being here. Thank you for every subscriber on this channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks a lot.